Ford's 2024 Ranger pickup truck, the FGP, is designed for tactical use without heavy armor. Intended for surveillance and stealthy movement, it maintains the standard Ranger's appearance. The FGP features enhanced suspension, military-grade tires, and a robust suspension system based on an Australian standard, enabling it to carry up to 7,716 pounds. The vehicle offers multiple engine options, including a 2-liter turbocharged EcoBoost i4 and a 3-liter turbodiesel V6, paired with 6-speed automatic or 10-speed select-shift transmissions. The engines have been adapted to run on diesel or jet fuel, necessitating modifications to the emissions system and software. Notably, the FGP comes with a blackout system that deactivates lights and sounds for covert night movements. It also introduces silent mode, utilizing an electric drive system and rear E-motor to move silently and invisibly. However, silent mode's speed is limited to 12 miles per hour, with a battery range of 1 to 19 miles. While the FGP is hybrid-like, it offers no insight into potential consumer Ford Ranger PHEV models. The vehicle is not expected for general consumer purchase and might find utility in international military operations. Despite this limited availability, the FGP demonstrates innovative military application for the new Ranger model.